Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I've got Cooking with Tuesday on Wednesday because yesterday was my two granddaughters' birthday, and I figured I was going to come home and we went out, took them out and everything, and when I got home I was so tired I couldn't move. Those girls have more energy, but we had fun, and we went out to dinner and we sang happy birthday and all that. So we're going to have a little birthday party tomorrow for them, and I'm going to try to record that. Anyway, I'm cooking some fried chicken and some quinoa and brown rice. I got the seeds of change to see if I liked it, and they gave it to me to review. So I'm going to try it in the pan. I put some Bertolli's 100% extra virgin olive oil spray and a dab of butter in the pan. So I'm going to go to the pan and I'm going to talk to you while I'm at the pan. And then I'm going to put the chicken in. So how's everybody doing? I am doing fine. The little dolls had a ball. They really did. And well, now we got to go through I got to get used to saying you're 9 years old and 5 years old. Okay, just when I get used to it, let this heat up and I'm going to put my chicken in. So anyway, I had fun, and they had a ball, and that was what was most important to me, was that they had fun. And like I said, I have their presents and stuff over here, so I'll give them their presents. We'll have a little birthday party for them and a celebration, and I'll probably record it and everything because I haven't even uploaded the pictures yet. So you know, it's my month. After them comes dear mother, my youngest daughter. Her birthday is the 23rd. Simon's is the 22nd. My middle daughter's is the 27th. Oh yeah, my niece's birthday too. I forget about that. I shouldn't forget about her. I'm gonna put these in the fryer over here. Wanted something quick and easy. Me and Grandpa are tired, and they don't have. She doesn't have that. Angel doesn't have the school tomorrow, so we're gonna keep them so that their mother can plan. She's taking them away to see their cousins and all that stuff. So I'm sure that they're gonna have a ball, but they're spending the night with us tomorrow night, so we're gonna have our own little party. Some cake, some ice cream, and get all their little presents and stuff. Because I did not even try to take them over to the restaurant yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and then the stove should be ready for the quinoa. I don't remember having. Well, I guess I did have it in salad, but I've never really had it with anything else. Chicken frying. I'm gonna put this over here like this. Take this out. There they are. Get the scissors. I got real today is review day, so I got some reviews to do, but I wanted to cook. I said I'm trying to stick with my schedule. Here. So like I said, I've never really had quinoa salad, so I don't know what it tastes like, but we'll taste it once it's done and see if it needs anything. I was going to add some onions to it, but I didn't do that. So it's got quinoa, brown rice, and with garlic. So we'll see. How's everybody doing again? I'm doing fine. I was just tired. And like I said, those little girls, they got more energy than the world around. But they're fun and they have fun. And everybody had fun though. They really did. Put this on the plate for my chicken. This should be out here. Let me look at my chicken and see what's happening. This can heat up really fast, so I'm going to take just a little bit of it and see what it tastes like. I'll talk to you guys a while. Well, it smells good. It was a nice day, and I'm not as stiff as I usually am because it's been so cold. Let's taste this. Just put a little bit in there. Can you see it? It smells very good. Well, I like it, actually. It's good. A little salt. Needs a little pepper. Got the garlic, I can taste that. Okay. Again, it sees its thing. I'm liking that. Never had it in rice before, but that's good. That's good. Well, I like to see the change. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will talk to you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.